Good morning, one and all. This is Divyang here to present you an AAT concept video. I am from the branch Aeronautical Engineering, Section A, roll number 2095182115. My topic for AAT concept video is latent heat. In order to understand what is latent heat, we need to understand change of state and matter existing three states, that is solid, liquid, gas. Consider water, fusion, melting, fusion, vaporization, solidification, and condensation. There are many ways. Melting, ice fusion, which is also referred as fusion. When an ice is placed at room temperature, it starts to melt, forming a liquid state. Then vaporization, when it takes place above the boiling point, it forms a gas. Then condensation of this steam again forms water, and then again freezing of this forms solid. Heats of transformation. When energy is absorbed as a heat by a solid or liquid, the temperature of the object does not necessarily rise. The thermal energy may cause the object change from one phase or the state to the another. The amount of energy per unit mass that must be transferred as the heat when a mass undergoes a phase change is called heat transformation, L. Heat of fusion. To melt a solid means to change its from solid state to the liquid state. This process requires energy because the molecules of solid must be freed from the rigid structure. To freeze a liquid to form a solid is the reverse of melting and requires the energy to remove from the liquid so that the molecules can settle down in a rigid structure. Heat of fusion. When the phase change is from a solid to liquid, the sample must absorb heat. When the phase changes from liquid to solid, the sample must release heat. The heat transformation of these phases changes is called the heat of fusion. LF equals to Q into mLF. Water of LF equals to 344 joules per gram equals to 79.5 kilocalories per gram. Heat of vaporization. To vaporize a liquid means to change it from liquid state to vapor state or gas state. This process requires energy because the molecules must be freed from the liquid state. Condensing a gas to a liquid is the reverse of vaporization. It requires energy to remove from gas molecules can cluster together instead of flying away from each other. The heat transfer of this phase change is called heat of vaporization. LV equals to LV. QV equals to m dot LV. Water LV equals to 2256 joules per gram or 539 kilocalories per grams. Phase change. Solid on sublimating form gas, whereas liquid on vaporization form gas, and condensation of gas leads to liquid, whereas deposition leads to solid. Here are some phase changes that occur. Gas liquid equilibrium. Vaporization rate is always greater than condensation rate. Vaporization rate equals to condensation rate. Latent heat capacity is the amount of heat that will change the state of a substance at a specific temperature. When heat, we know that latent heat is the heat capacity that helps an specific object to change its phase or state from one to other. When heat is added to the substance, the melting or vaporization or sublimation may occur. When heat is extracted from a substance, freezing, condensation, and deposition may occur. This is an example of dry ice in which directly the solid state of ice, that is carbon dioxide, is transferred to the gas state. Phase change or energy changes accompany phase changes. Solid to liquid sublimation increases, energy also increases, vaporization liquid increases, in freezing the energy decreases as heat is released. These are the heat curves or phase changes explaining the heat curves. Heat added to each correspondent is 4 kilojoules. A to B represents ice, B to C represents ice and liquefied water melting, C to D represents liquid water, D to E represents liquid water and vapor, E to F represents water vapor. As temperature increases. This is a diagram of it. Here the table represents changes occurring due to heating of 10 degree grams of ice. 522 grams of energy is transferred by heat, minus 25 degrees to 0 degrees. Ice melts and becomes water, 3.33 into 10 power 3 joules. 0 degrees Celsius is the temperature. Temperature of water increases 4.9 into 10 power 3, 0 degrees to 100 degrees. Water boils, becomes steam. 2.26 into 10 power 4 joules is the energy required. 100 degrees Celsius is the temperature maintained. Temperature of steam increases 502 joules, 100 to 125 degrees centigrade. This is the phase change diagram. Here at 100 degrees is the boiling point, 0 degrees is the melting point. Change of state. Condensation, 1 kg of water requires 226 of kg energy out, and then water to ice requires 334 kilojoules for solidification. Whereas from ice to water again requires 334 kilojoules for fusion, and for vaporization requires 2260 kilojoules. Now ice to steam. Energy involving 1 kg of water. Heating 1 kg of water. 0 to 100 degrees is taken as the temperature. 334, 420 and 2206 are energy required. Here when ice starts melting, 334 joules of energy is required to convert it into water. Then from 420 joules are again added to convert it into boiling. And then after boiling, 226 kilojoules of energy is required to convert it into steam. Thank you.